Okay, how many of you get the same answer? You never try ke? Senyap ni. Dengar ke suara?
Dapat doktor, sama-sama.
Sama. Okay, siapa tu yang sama tu? Khairil. Okay, yang lain macam mana? How about the others? Aaron, Abdul Rahman, Jacob, Fatinatul. Okay, Alvin. All of you get the same answer, right? So there is no problem for this question. Any of you want to explain? Okay, there is no problem for the A1 because the A1 is direct. Okay, but the A2 for the A2 you have to convert, kan? You have to convert dulu. Okay, this one you get the n. You have to to find out the n first. So the n here is 4 because you have to to adjust dulu kan. To get this one is 1 according to the template. Then you get this one is 4 lah. Okay, then you have to assume this one is f. Okay, that's why p over f. Sebab ni p. You look at this question. You want to find out what is p. So now you can see in the table semua P, 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 P. Okay, what do you have for the dia punya data? Okay, what you get is you have is A, so that's why A kat bawah lah. Okay, A2, A2. But this one is A2 yang ni become what? Become F, kan? That's why you need P over F. And the year here 3 because we have to make it as a template, macam template juga similar to the template. So 3 because of dia punya ni. Okay, ni one. Itulah. Okay. So that's why ini dapat yang ni. Here 4, so that, meaning that ini 4 tadi, so this one is 3 kan. Sebab ni 3. Okay. I think semua okay lah. Dapat. So this one is good. Okay, now we go to the other question. Yang ni tak payah tunjuk sebab dah terror. Okay, go to this one. Ni macam yang hari tu juga, nampak? Tak apalah, kita buat reverse, revision. Okay, you have this question. In 5 minutes, try to get this one. 3 minutes pun dah dapat. Okay, you have the annual, you have the annual punya income, and then something happen here ni, it decrease, from one amount to certain amount lah, and then the punya growth rate atau interest is 10%, and it happen at the second year until year 7. So now calculate P. How to solve the problem? Okay, how many diagram do you have to solve? First one is what? What is the ni rectangular here? What is the amount here?
400.
400. Okay. Is it correct? Is it correct to make it 400? Is it correct to make it 400? Siapa boleh terangkan? Is it 400 or what?
900 Dr.
900. Why 900?
Needs to start from 1 is the 0.
One. Macam mana?
Macam mana kata?
Bukan. Jawapan dah betul. Explain salah.
Macam mana kata?
Ni. Explain yang ni.
Dia kena daripada dia punya increment ataupun decrement dia kena daripada nilai 1.
Itu to convert tau. Third one is to convert. Sekarang ni why you have to, kalau yang tadi tu maknanya your friend also ni correct answer. If you talk about the ni dia punya value 400 dengan 900 same lah. 400 pun still want to convert to this one, to 1 ni. But now you have to take 900. Why? You have to take 900, not 400. Okay. What is the template for ni? For G. Template dia macam mana? Ni kan? Ni or this one. Sekarang ni boleh ke yang ni? If you make it 400, that means you have this one plus this one. Boleh ke? Sama tak template ni? Faham tak ni template ni? Okay, template dia sepatutnya. Okay, ni or 1. Then start to increase tu inilah. Until end. Okay, but now dia punya hujung ni dia. Boleh ke? Sama tak? Ada this one or this one? Sama tak? Tak sama kan? So what you have to do is you take the largest punya rectangular tu minus kepada yang ni. Yang besar ni tolak yang kecil ni. Dia tak boleh ambil yang rectangular, small rectangular plus yang triangle ni. Tak boleh. Sebab this triangle not the same as template. The template must facing here. Yang ini facing sana. Cannot. Dah faham Then only you can convert to the yang sini. One ni. Ada yang tak faham ke? Salah kalau you take 400 plus this one dengan yang ni. Patutnya yang ni lah. 900 ni yang besar ni, the biggest one, minus yang smallest ni, and smaller ni because yang ni bentuk ni. Macam kita main budak-budak dulu kan, kalau bentuk dia macam ni, baru boleh masuk kepada yang bulat ni. Kalau bentuk star, you want to make try to masuk yang dalam bentuk ni. Macam tu cannot lah. Sebab not as same as template. Macam tu lah. Tak boleh pakai sebab tak sama dengan template. Yang ni tak boleh pakai. You cannot use this one. So you have to macam mana pun have to make it same with the template. So that's why you have to take the biggest one minus the smallest one. Yang ni, tiga segi yang menghadap macam ni. Okay, now how to solve the problem? You want to Find out P. Okay, this one is A, right? Okay, let's say A1 lah. A lah, A. A1 is 900 per year lah. 900 per year. And ni is G. G is, okay, 900 dengan 400. How to get the G? 900 G minus 400 divided by what? Divided by 7 minus 2. So you will get 100. So that means G is 100 per year. Okay, then only you can solve the problem, the P ni. Okay, for the first ialah A, P over A. Dia punya I is 10%. And then dia punya ni, okay, yang ni. You have to make it 1. So, minus 1 lah. So, this one pun minus 1. So, maknanya N is 6. So, here, N is 6. Okay, now, baru sama dengan template sama template ni. Okay, ni N ni. Okay. Macam ni. Okay, now, must convert this one to F. Yang ni F Yang ni dah jadi F. Okay, now this one is F kan? Dah jadi F. F kat mana? Kat sini kan? Dah become F ni dah tak ada. Become F lah. Dia sebenarnya P lah kan? Dia P sebenarnya, tapi sekarang become F lah sebab yang ni. Jadi, dia sama template. So, dia sekarang dia pindah sini lah. P ni sama dengan F lah. P ni pada awalnya, for the early punya solution, it is P. But now, when we want to convert it, because we have 0 here, because we want to convert here, convert here. So that means you make it as F pula lah. Dan nama dia tukar F. Okay, then you put P over F 10%. Okay, what is the scale? At number 1? Number what? Sekarang dah pindah mana ni? Ni, yang ni. Pindah tu 1 lah kan? So, here lah. Jadi, yang ni. P ni. Okay, mula ni, ini. Dia jadi P. But then, you have to, you want to convert here pula. 0 ni. So, become F pula. F dengan sini pula. Jadi, F ni. So, the number is 1. Okay. Then, minus G. P over G. 10%. Okay, sama sebab dia the same location kan. So 6. And then this one become P, become F. P over F, 10%. Then settlekan Okay, A is 900. Okay, this one is what? This one is what? Okay, G is 100. What is this? From the table. Okay, in the table, 10%. Table 10%, P over A 6. 10%, P over A, this one, 6. 4.3, 4.3. Okay, P over F 1. Okay, G 10%, still 10%. Okay, PG 6. PG. Okay, ni 6. And yang ni sama lah kan. Then you can get the answer. Okay. Calculate P. So P is 2,682. Okay. 83 cent. Boleh. So what is the tricky one? The tricky is about the bentuk ni, shape ni. You cannot make it direct. You cannot take directly. Dia punya ni. Okay. Okay, now settle yang ni.
Doktor nak tanya.
Ya.
Contoh Pak, since yang ni kan dia dalam nilai duit kan RM. So maknanya final answer kita kena tinggalkan dalam 2/40 ataupun dia
Okay,
stick
normally,
dengan jawapan kita.
good question. Normally decimal point dia 2 lah. But yang kalau the earliest ni jangan buat 2 dulu lah, ambil lah 3, 4 ke apa kan. After that to make it accurate after that then you have to, maybe you can make it to 682.83. But the first one kat sini ada nombor-nombor ni jangan dulu. We will get the different answer. Macam hari tu ada your friend ask me because this is about engineering economy, so it is very sensitive and we have to consider the accuracy. Okay, so it is good. You are very macam concern lah about this one kan. But okay, tapi in our kursus ni terpaksa we have to, masa tu ada problem apa saya tak ingat lah. Ada kaitan dengan accuracy tu. Lupalah siapa yang tanya. Who ask me There is something macam we use one method and the other method. So slightly different. So that is the reason, the question from your friend tu. But for this one, okay, you can see macam ni. 09091 ni you have to make it sama lagi you have to make it accurate. After that then you can bulatkan dia. Bukan bulatkan, you have to make it decimal point to 2 lah. Boleh Siapa tadi yang tanya tu?
Saya Dr. Khairul Ikhwan.
Khairul Ikhwan. Okay, good. Khairul Ikhwan. Okay. Ada question lain
Doktor,
Ya.
satu lagi soalan.
Hmm.
Saya tak berapa faham. Why do we have to multiply with P over F?
With what?
Why do we have to multiply by P over F for both A and G?
Ya, tak dengar lah. Jauh. Okay, ulang.
Okay, why do we have to multiply with P over F for both
P
A
over
and
F?
G?
P over F yang mana ni
Yes. Why, yeah, I don't understand that part.
Yang ni. Okay. Who can answer? Why we have to have this part? Okay. Why we have this part? We have two equation here. First is about A, and then we have this one, P over F. Why become F? Who want to explain? To help your friend. Because it does not start at 1. Okay, betul. Lagi? Siapa lagi? Because the starting year is not 1. Okay, betul. Okay. Yang tanya tadi siapa?
Daryl. Yes.
Daryl. Okay, Daryl. Your friend mentioned that not start at 1. Do you understand why we have to start at 1? What is your template now? When you want to use this formula, you have to
Start at 1.
make it as a template. Mesti macam template. Okay, okay, berapa template Kita ada template. Okay, satu ialah about P. Okay, let's say this one Okay, P can start at 0. Okay, whatever the apa ni yang the others here we can call it as F. Okay, yang ni semua F. Bawah ke atas it is F. Okay, this one is first Okay, second A. Okay, sama ada atas ke bawah it doesn't matter We have to make it 1, then you can get N. Ni dia punya isu ni. Kecil sangat ke? Kecil sangat ni. Sekejap Okay. Lepas ni faham yang F ni. Okay, P start at 0. P must start at 0. Tak kisahlah bawah ke atas ke. Must start at 0. Okay, this one is the first one. Okay, now A. A must start at what? 1. And then you can get N. If your apa ni, your question does not match to this template, maybe here is 5 ke apa-apa kan, then here ini katakan 10 ke kan. So you have to make it 1 dululah. Then you can use the formula. Otherwise cannot use the formula. And you cannot use the N to make it as in the table, in the formula. Okay. So kalau it is 5, so you have to minus 4 dulu. Then you can get 1. Then only this N can be used in the formula. And 10 minus 4. The meaning is, the answer is 6. Then you can use in the formula. Macam ni lah. And because now this one is 2. Ni 7. So you have to minus 1 dulu untuk dapat 1. Then you can get this one is N is 6. Yang ni. Otherwise you cannot make it as kalau 7 masuk sini 7 salah sebab you have to make it as a template. Ni template ni yang kita kata template ni. 1 and ini 0. Mesti sama macam ni ataupun bentuk ke bawah lah. 1 and ni 0. Ni yang ni nak convert tu kat sini. Macam ni. Baru kita dapat P ni yang kat 0. Okay, sekarang ni yang berlaku, what happen now is, this one is 2. So, you are converting to here. You are converting to here. You assume this one is like this one. But it is located at 1. Okay, when it is located at 1, the name is still P. Okay, you have to convert pula kat sini. At 0 ni pula. Okay, when you want to convert to here, okay, the name should be P. Yang ini tak boleh P, yang ni jadi F. Sebab ingat yang ni tadi. Only P yang start kat 0 ni. Tapi kat sini dia macam berlakon dululah. Sebab nak sama macam template ni. Dia template, mesti macam template. Dah sama template, barulah dia tukar pula bentuk kepada P. Faham tak? Okay, yang ni. Dia tukar dia ni. Okay, kita namakan dia sebagai P lagi. P sama dengan A, P, E, I, N ni. Yang isu dia yang ni, N ni. Ni nak ambil N ni. Okay, bila dah settle ni, dia pula jadi F. Kan, yang ni dah jadi F pula. Okay, kalau dah jadi P, P ni dah jadi F. Okay, mau kita ambil P yang ni pula, P dekat node. P at node ni. So, dia dah jadi F, E, F, I, and then N dia lah, at 1 ni. Ni, dia tukar. Boleh. So that's why yang ni tadi nampak A, PA 10%, 6 because of yang ni dah adjust dia sama dengan template. Okay, but this one become F. F dekat mana? Dekat sini. Dekat nombor 1 ni. Dia 1 je tau. Tengok mana tadi. Okay, dia punya ni Okay, ni satu ni kosong ni. Dia satu. Anjak ke depan tu satu lah. So, sekarang ni P over F 10%. Dekat mana sekarang lokasi dia? Dekat 1. Ni dah jadi F ni. Satu anak panah besar. Dah jadi F kan. Dah tukar bentuk dia, nombor ni. Ni, baru nak convert pula yang ni. PF 10%. 1 ni. Sama juga yang ni. GPG 10%. 6. Ni sama lah cerita dia. 6. Tapi dia 3 segi pula. Ni isu dia pula. Dia punya ni, hujung ni facing the left side. Tak boleh yang ni, tak boleh ambil yang ni. Itu pun tricky juga. Okay, then, kalau perasan ni sama, tu tahu kalau dia rumah kat tempat sama tu. Dia sama. So, kita anggap this one is F, kan? Dekat mana rumah dia? Dekat mana dia duduk? Kat lokasi year 1 tadi. Boleh ni Dara?
Yes, I get it now. Thank you, Doctor.
Okay. Okay, ni settle Okay, good. Tak apa, pelan-pelan. Jangan confuse sebab lepas ni lagi teruk lah. Lagi banyak confuse nanti. Okay. Try to look at this one. Abdullah bought a piece of land with a down payment of 15,000 ringgit and a yearly payment of 1,000 for 6 years. Macam clear tau. But due to financial problems, he wishes to delay the yearly payment and start paying 3 years from now. What is the present value of the land if growth rate is 10% per year? Okay. Now the issue is how to to draw the cash flow diagram. To draw the cash flow diagram. Macam mana nak buat? Okay, lukis dulu cash flow diagram. Understand the question, then lukis cash flow diagram. What is the yearly payment tu? Bentuk apa? Yearly payment ni. It is A kan? Ini A. Yearly payment. Okay, bought a piece of land with a down payment 15,000. Maknanya masa tu he pay 15,000 dulu down payment. Kan? Okay, then sepatutnya dia bayar A ni 1,000 ringgit ni for 6 years. For 6 years. But the problem is they start at 3 years from now. 3 years from now. At 3 years from now. Okay, kalau 3 years from now, then what is the end here? Bukan end lah dekat sini. What is the year dia kena stop ni? Sampai sini. Okay, dia ambil period dia, duration dia 6 year. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ingat dia punya hujung ni, dia punya sisi ni mesti 1 kan? Dia 1. Jangan bukan kosong tau. 1. 1, 2. Salah lah. Dia kena 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 years. So that means 3 until 8. Okay, now try to solve the problem. Okay, how to solve the problem? P, what is the present value? The present value is, okay, P, yang ni, assume P1, P1, P total lah yang ni. P total P1 plus A, what? P over A. Okay, I, tulislah dulu I, and then this one is N. And then we have to, jadi confuse kawan. Okay, I ni ialah 10%. Okay, N is, okay, here, 3. You have to make it 1. So minus 2. So this one minus 2. Okay, betul lah dia 6 kan? Tempoh dia. So dia will become 6. Okay, now this become, dia pindah sini baru. Dia pindah kat sini baru. P ni. Yang ni. Dia berpindah kat sini. Okay, now we have to convert to here. So P ni kita kena anggap F lah. Okay, so yang ini become F. So F ni maknanya P over F yang ni pula. Still 10%. And dia ialah, okay, sini 3. So and dia ialah 2 lah. So 15,000 plus, what is A? 1,000. Okay, 10%. 10% PA 6 10% PA 6 PA 6. Okay, mana tadi? 6/4/3. Okay, yang ni. So now you get okay. Okay, now we go this part Ini from your textbook. Okay, mana textbook ni? You go to the textbook. Share. Okay. Dia kata page what? Page 56. Oh dah, 56 dah. 56, 77. This is what. Okay, yang ni question ni. You can open your textbook. Page 56. Yang ni lah. Okay, ni. Okay, tapi ubah sikit lah. The announcement of cement factory states that 200 million ringgit investment is planned for 2012. Dia main dengan year pula. Most large investment commitments are actually spread out over several years as the plant is constructed and production is initiated. Further investigation may determine, for example, that the 200 million ringgit is a present worth in the year thereafter. As before, assume the time value of money is for investment capital is 10% per year. To answer the following question, okay, what is P value and what is annual value? Oh ya, kejap kejap. Tadi ni baru P tau. Okay. I just want you to see yang saya tutup dulu ni. Sorry lah, terpaksa interrupt ni. Okay, look at this one. Tak ni P tau. If the question asks you F. F tu maknanya what is the value at the year 8. Dekat last tu letter. What is the value at year 8? F lah. F dekat year 8 ni. Macam mana nak buat? First, you can take the P ni, senang je. If you have the answer of P. Kan? So P, F over P, either 10%. Okay, and the what? Is 8 lah. 8 lah. Kan? So you will get 18599. Okay, cari yang ni lah. Okay, ni katakan dah cari jawapan dia ialah 21. Okay, so the answer is 39876.685. Yeah, F. But if you don't have the P and you don't find you do not find the P dulu, what happen is you have to find out F from the original punya question ni. Okay, so that means F at 8 ni is P. Tengok balik atas ni. P F over P 10%. Okay, what is N? Daripada sini tau. Ni, sekarang nak jadi kat sini. So, you have to kira lah. Okay. From here to here is 8 lah. Tak ada apa masalah. Okay, then A. Ini A. Nak convert pada F pula. To convert to F. So, F over A 10%. Okay, what is the year? What is the year? Nak ambil. Okay, tengok kita kat sini F Okay, ingat template mesti okay, sini. Ni N. Okay, so kira ni tadi dah ada skala, senang lah. We have the scale. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Baru sama template. We have to stop here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 6. Tadi pun kita kira kan, ni tadi jadikan 1 tu. Samalah. Tapi dia punya method is quite different. If you want to find out P, it is easier compared to this one, F. Because you have to calculate the time and reverse lah. You have to calculate dia punya time and scale ni. Otherwise, you will get the wrong answer. So the answer is, this one is 15,000. Ni 2.144. Ni look at the table lah. Plus the A is 1,000. And from table, this one is 7.716. So you will get dia dapat nombor macam ni. Kita tengok 39876 39876. Okay, the same answer. But this one lagi simple. Bukan simple dia it is long punya process to get the answer. But you will get less possibility to get the wrong answer. because you know dia punya template, you know how to calculate dia punya jarak dia, distance dia, dia punya scale. Kalau yang ni dia okay, tak apa, buat masa ni for the time being you still do not see the punya problem tau. When you want to use F ni direct ni. After this maybe you can see if you choose to use F, because they can give you freedom to either you want to choose F directly, or you want to find out what is P then convert to F. Dia ada nampak proses dia, which one you prefer lah. Macam like me, I like to make it as P first, then convert to F, because the possibility to make a mistake is less lah. Faham P, then I will get the F. This one, F direct from the question. Okay, nampak still the same answer, but the process of to get the answer. Boleh tak? Faham tak? Jangan diam sangat. Saya pun masih sedang ni macam sebab quite long time jugalah. I do not teach this one. Actually, I always teach yang sebelah for the second half for the accounting. And this part normally will be taken by the other lecturer lah. And it is quite long. I think 10 years ago lah to have this yang ni. In our intro to I also have, but the basic one. And for the NJ economy, we have to detail it. Okay. So still, I know if you have the problem, so just apa orang kata slowly, you can learn and to make it less mistake lah. Okay, if you are smart enough, you can just take F. Boleh? Okay, now go back to this one yang tadi ni. Okay, yang ni tricky dia apa? What is the tricky one? What is the tricky in this question? So if I just state that 200 million investment is planned for 2012. Most large investment commitment are actually spread out over several years as the plan is constructed. Further investigation may determine 200 million is the present worth in the year thereafter. Dia macam 200 million ni just expected tau. Is present worth in the year as before assumed return. Okay. Sekejap balik buku Okay. That was, sekejap sorry. Okay, we share dia punya ni. Okay. Get this question. Okay. As before, assume the time in equivalent present values. Does the plan decreasing investment series equal to announced 200 million? That means 200 million ni is not the statement tau. Dia macam nak tahu expectation dia achieve tak macam tu Okay, look at dia punya ni, dia punya solution ni. Look at this lah. Ni. Okay, we now is at 2012 kan dia kata tadi and thereafter tu dia start ada apa tu tadi? Start Okay, question. Macam susah sikit yang ni susah sikit nak faham. Ataupun kita kat AV dulu lah. Susah sikit nak cerita. Kat AV dulu. Okay, sepatutnya tricky dia ni yang dekat sini nanti. Kalau tricky. Satu is, the tricky is the how to draw the cash flow diagram. Yang ini 200 million ni is only expected je baru. Soalan ni. Tak apalah, fokus. My video tutup Yang ni KIV Dia lagi confused pula. But not the basic one lah. Dia ada tricky dia banyak sangat. Okay, yang ni pun tak apalah. Ini pun nanti. Tak payah. Okay, now we go to the ni yang untuk growth rate pula. Okay, we go to the growth rate. Okay, to our slide. Stop sharing. Oh, okay. Okay. Look at this example. Okay. Okay. Compute the future words in year 10, present value, and equivalent annual amount. I give you about 5 minutes or 7 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes to answer this part, this question. And then you can put your answer in the Jamboard tadi, for us to discuss. Okay, we have what? We have arrow here. And for this one is what? 1,200, 1,400, 1,600. So you have one rectangular here and the triangle. Okay. And then you have the other part is okay at year 3, year 4, 5, 6. You have the same amount here. It is 150. So what is here? And then you also have 1,300, 800 and 300. It is like a what? Representation kan? Okay, you also have rectangular and triangle. Okay, then you also have 200 and 700. Okay, for 200, 700 ni buat as ni je lah, F. It is F. But the others, you can make it as A or G. A, G. Okay, now try to solve the problem. Ya, lagi satu ni, 3000 pun F. Banyak, there are several methods to solve. Sometimes you want to you can take yang 1400 ni apa ni minus with 150, but that one quite slow to get the answer. So maybe you can see dia one by one block lah yang ni. A and G. This one is A, then A and G. Okay, this one is F, F and F. Okay, the challenge is how to convert it to first to be like a template, and then when you get the as a template too, then it will be F kan, then convert to yang P pula. P ataupun tengoklah soalan tu, future words ke present value ataupun annual amount. Banyak tu. Okay. Have you solved the ni? Yang future words in year 10 ni? Quite challenging juga Yeah, if we make it directly directly use the ni dia punya cash flow diagram ni. So F equal to ni we have this one. Okay, then ada satu lagi. A lah. Ini A and G. Okay, sama bentuk still the facing left Okay, here we have the yang ni dengan yang ni. Macam tu. Okay, so we have two shape here. And then we have yang ni F. Okay, F ke tengoklah kalau we talk about here is F. Maknanya we want to find out F here. So this one become P. So if it is P, so this is 0, 0. So you have to calculate the time from here and here. 1, 2, 3, macam tu lah. So this one become something like P for this case, and because want to find out F, so this one is P, this one is P, and this one is ni just ambil je lah 700. Okay. Sekejap saya tunjuk sekejap Okay. Okay, how to get the F here? F is equal to A, 12%. Okay, A ni lah A ni yang A yang 1200 ni. Sorry, 12%. Okay, what is N here? What is N here? Okay, now we are here. What is N here? Okay, 1. Because template is this is 1 and this is N. So this is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it is 3. Kalau tak kena tukar yang ni sebab we are talking about F. F ni payah sikit dia kena lain sikit cara pandang dia. And then it becomes P dekat sini, dekat 2 ni. And it becomes P. Now it convert to P yang ni. Yang ni kita cakap yang bawah ni kan. Okay. So it becomes yang ni this is the original, then now the number is at 1 ni. Okay. So it is at 1. 1 ni ialah berapa compare to F ni? Ni. Ini dia dah jadi sini kan. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that means F over P, because it becomes P kan. 12%. And dia punya distance ni is 9. Ini kalau F tau. Lain cara dia. Then plus G. Okay, F over G. 12%. Okay, the N is 1, 2, 3. So the N is 3. But convert to, okay, this is, it becomes P here. So 1, 2, 3 sampai ni 9 juga. And F over P, 12%, 9. Okay. Now go to this part. Assume this one is positive. Okay, now yang atas ni become negative lah. A, F over A, 12%. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 4. Okay, become P here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is at 8. F over P. Settle yang ni. Now go to this part pula. Okay, plus sebab bawah. Yang ni. Okay. Dia punya tu apa? A. F over A. 12%. Okay, what is N? What is N? 1, 2, 3. 3. Now convert to this, to here, dekat number 5 ni. Okay, ni 12%. F over P, 12%, but here, yang tadi ni, yang ni, convert to yang kat sini. So, apa ni? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, kebetulan ni, 5. So, dia dah convert to dekat skala 5. Boleh? Okay, ni what is dia punya A here? It is yang besar ke yang ni kecil? It is 1, 3 kan? Jangan ambil yang kecil ni. Salah. Kecil plus yang ni. Salah. you get wrong answer. So because ni facing ni. Ni. So you have to take yang besar, then minus this one. Okay, ini A. Okay, minus yang G kat sini. Okay, G. Okay, what is G? G is 130 plus, minus 300 divided by 8 minus 6 kan. So you get the answer ni. So you get G here. And so F over G, I is 12%, N is sama lah. N is 3, and convert to F over P, 12% at 5. Okay, now go to this one. Atas maknanya minus. Okay, ni 3000 ni P. So F over P, 12%, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Minus lagi. This one, 200 F over P. F nak cari, P is yang kita tahu, what we know. 12%. Okay, N is 1. Jarak dia 1 je. And then the last one, no jarak, just take the 700. Macam P lah, kalau P macam dengan kita ambil terus P dah. But now it's F. Ni. So you will get the answer. Very long process to get the F. Sama lah, yang P pun still the same kan. If you want to find out P, so P is A, P over A, 12%. Okay, what is N? Still the same, Okay, how to ni calculate? Okay, yang kalau kita guna proses yang biasa, you know, you want to make it as 1, so minus 1. So 4 become minus 1, so it is 3. 1, 2, 3. Sama So 3. Okay, now become to 1 kan? So P over F, 12%, become at number 1. We can just use dia punya number kat sini sebab kita tahu ni kosong. Because our reference is 0 ni. Simple. And then plus, this one is P. Then this one is G plus G, P over G, 12%. Okay, same. 3 P over F, 12% become at 1. Kalau nak interact. And then we have minus A, P over A, 12%. Okay, how many? Okay, kalau ni 3 ni, become 1. Ataupun boleh juga 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 become at 2. So dia dekat at 2. And so ni adalah P over F, 12%. 2. Okay, now yang ni settle. Jadi kita tu yang ni plus so the large one 3000 ni ni A. So P over A, 12%, is mana tadi? Ni 3. Nampak itu lagi senang 3 macam tu je. Kita tahu, we know that this one is 1, 2, 3 lah. Okay, then P over F, 12%, N is now go to number 5 kan? Betul lah, dia ni 5, 10, plus. Oh, tak nampak tadi punya difference. Okay, then minus G. G tadi calculate like this one Then P over G, 12%. Sama yang ni, 3. And then become P over F, 12%, 5. And then yang ada 3 ni, minus, okay, this one is F semua. 3000, okay, ni F F1 3000, P over F, 12%, 7. Minus lagi, 200, P over F 12%. Berapa tadi kita ambil? 200 Okay, 200. 9. And the last one, 700. P over F 12%. 10. Okay, then you get the answer. This is present words. And this one is future. Okay. If you calculate, the first one is this one, P. After you get the answer, you can convert to F lah. Senang sebenarnya kan. You can, kalau yang ni, you don't want to make this step, F ni. So you can make it as P. And then you convert to F lah. After you get the answers ni. So F is P over, F over P 12%. And dia ialah, tadi F kat belakang dekat ujung tu 10 kan. So yang ni, P ni yang ni, masukkan ni. Ya, kan senang, terus dapat F. No need to do this one lah, macam tu lah. Anything that you do not understand? Is it okay? Ada ni ke, confused ke ataupun quite challenge to understand? But you can understand but quite challenge to get the answer. Saya tak masuk dalam root rate ni. Root rate ni nanti kan awak lagi confused. Biar dulu. Okay. If you get this one, dah settle ni, I want you to answer this one untuk ni, annual pula. You can try yang annual tu by using the original. You can try by using the original. Maksud original ni, you just use the A here, then you convert to A yang ada tu. Ni A ni senang lah A. But the N tu you have to ni lah, to calculate lah. And then G convert to A kan. Yang ini pun A. This one A and G convert to A. Ni pun P convert to A. Macam tu. Boleh, you can take that type of solution, or you just use this one dengan syarat with the condition that you get the correct answer for P. Otherwise nanti dia semua salah. Soalan lain yang soalan ni. Any question? Haril, okay, Haril?
Okay, Doktor.
Okay, quite challenge. Adriana said quite challenge memang pun. Daryl, okay or Daryl?
Okay so far.
Okay so far. Cuma how to get the answer je kan. Faiz?
Okay, Doctor.
Okay. Haitam? How to pronounce your name? Haitam ke
Okay,
Haitam?
okay. Yes, Doctor.
Haitham or Haitham?
Haytham.
Haitham. Okay, Thor.
Yes.
Thor. Oh, okay.
Sorry?
It is Thor. Thor. Huruf Thor.
Yeah, it's
Ha ya
Haytham.
Thor mim. Ha ya Thor mim. Ya Thor. Okay, Idham. Idham, is it okay? Can you understand? Haitham. Sorry, bukan Haitham. Tadi siapa? Alah, lupa pula namanya. Siapa tadi I panggil? Mana Idham Julian? Can you show the answer here? What is the answer? The last one ni? Ataupun yang ni? What is the answer? Fikri? Fikri Hamdan? I don't think I don't want to to go step further yang ke yang growth rate tu because growth rate ni the different punya topik lah So just stop here. But any question? Tak ada tak ada question Baguslah. Semua. Oh, ada orang jawab lah dalam ni. Okay, good. Okay, there is someone who answer for ni in your Jamboard ni So, okay, maybe you also can answer and put in the Jamboard for this question, this challenge question. Okay. Boleh? Hopefully lah Hopefully sangat. You can answer this one. I think just stop here. Okay. Now I give you the attendance. Any question for the attendance? No idea. No idea what's question Dah penat hilang attendance punya. Okay, look at dia pun dekat WhatsApp sorry, dekat in your chat in your chat there is attendance link. Okay, now what is the question you want to ask to your friends? Okay, I ask you which one you prefer to get the answer to P, present value, or you want to get the answer to F, future value? That is the question. Jangan jawab sini. Just answer in the ni. What is your opinion? You prefer to make it as P. When you get the question, you want to make it as present value, or you want to make it as future value. Okay, so that is the question. Okay, so still no question, eh? You want to you want to try first. You want to try first, eh? Okay, so we just stop here, and we will continue on Thursday. Okay, so that's all lah. Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.